Guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow the use of camera on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen swipe across and tap on settings. In settings, go down and tap on screen time. In here you want to go down and tap on content and privacy restrictions. Next, tap on allow apps, and then in here tap on the camera toggle button to allow or don't allow. So here at the moment I'm going to turn off by disallowing the use of camera. So if I try to go back to my home screen and look for the camera app, you can see it's not available on the home screen. It is also not available in the app library. So if I try to look for a camera, it is not there. Okay, so it's not there at all. And to bring it back on, all you have to do is go back into settings, go into your screen time and tap on camera setting in here. And from there, you will be able to access the camera again. As you can see, I can now search up for camera and it will now be available. There it is. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.